Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from MT4 Spread. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will review a trading system which is based on Parabolic SAR, which is sustained by a few indicators. So if you want to see what's all about and if you like this system, how you can download it for free, only here on my website. So stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. Alright, that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, I hope you are all good today. So in this video I will make a review, as I said, about Parabolic SAR Forex Trading System for MT4 platform. And from the beginning I need to tell you that first thing first, I will show you how to install. As a matter of the fact, I'm always showing you in all my videos how to install an indicator and system on MT4 platform. So I will skip this part of this video and I'll show you how this system works. And of course, as always, you'll be able to download this system, this trading system, only here on my YouTube channel. You'll find a link below this video in the description area, with a link which will take you to my website need4spread.com, and you will have the possibility there. If you go to the bottom of the page, you will find a link, you will find the button where you can download for free this system. All right, so let's see what's all about this system. The Parabolic SAR Forex Trading System, it is a channel strategy with Parabolic SAR dots for entries, and it's supported with Escalada indicator. I don't know if you heard about Escalada indicator to filter a trend direction. That Forex strategy utilizes a swing trading approach, but in direction of an overall trend. Let's go ahead and I'll show you a little bit what's all about. So you'll see, when you download this indicator, you'll have a file like this one. It is a RAR file. You need WinRAR in order to unarchive this folder. Go ahead, Google it, and download it on your computer. Then right click on it, extract file here. You'll see a normal folder like this one with Parabolic SAR. Open it, go to MQL, and then copy the indicator. Yes, copy the indicator folder and paste it in your MT4 platform. You know all the steps. All right, let me go ahead and I will skip this one, and you will see right here in the navigator pan these indicators folders, and also you will have, and you will see template like this one, Parabolic SAR template. All right, and I just installed this one right here on my US dollar Japanese yen, and this how this indicator looks. Let me go ahead and I will put the pen over here to show you what exactly how these systems work. So the Parabolic SAR Forex Trading System fits all kinds of time frame. I'm using it as always on 1 hour time frame, but it's working on the most time frames from 1 hour to daily time frame, not less, as I know. It is displayed directly on the main trading chart and in one window placed below. The default settings can be modified directly from the input tab, and feel free to experiment with the trading's parameters to fit your personal preferences. How to trade with this system, with the Parabolic SAR Forex Trading System, contains of three main indicators, which are the following. It's Parabolic SAR, which are these dots over here. Yes, these dots, as you can see here, red dot and blue dots. They provide stop and reverse dots that are aligned above below price. Trades are triggered by a switch of these parabolic SAR dots. We have a BSAR 01 indicator. This is the channel indicator with red, this one with red bands. All right. These bands define take profit targets. So for example, if we enter in the market right here, yes, take market, we will place the take profit somewhere here. Yes, take profit right here or a little bit below. And as you can see, this one, it was hit the take profit. All right. And we have the third one, which is Escalada, is a trend direction filter, this one over here. All right, and it has four rows of blue red dots. In an ideal way, they all should be blue for a buy trade or red for a sell trade, but is not mandatory. So now let's go ahead and let's speak about buy signal. Channel slope is upwards. All right, price touches lower band like right here, yes, as you can see here, or here. So price touches lower band. Now we are in the middle, as you can see on this gray line here. This is the middle of the channel. Parabolic SAR dots switch to below price. That means blue dots. So we have blue dots. It switched on blue dots, as you can see here and here also. And we have the Escalada dots are blue also, like we see here. Yes, here this. And if all this, but it's not mandatory to Escalada to be all blue, we can have one on one line also red. And buy trade is triggered after these conditions are met. So set the stop loss few pips below the parabolic SAR dot at the triggering candle. Yes, so somewhere here we will place the stop loss level. So this is quite simple. Let me go ahead and I will close the pen and let me put it again. And now let's see the take profit exit trade whenever the price hits opposite band of the channel, like this one here, the opposite band, or of use your own preferred method of trade exit, of course. And the sell signal, the channel slope is downwards. Yes, the price touches upper band of the BSAR of the BSAR 01, this one here, like here. Parabolic SAR dots switch above price, that means they turn to red dots, and right here we will enter a down trade, and Escalada dots are blue, sorry, right here. So we are right here in this scenario, and then when they turn blue, sell trade is triggered. Yes, this one, and after in above condition are met. Set stop loss a few pips above the parabolic SAR dot are triggered candle. So somewhere here we will set the stop loss, and take profit is here. Exit trade whenever the price hits opposite band of the channel, or use your own preferred method of trade, of course. As always, to achieve good results, remember about proper money management, and to be a profitable trader you need to master discipline, emotions, of course, and psychology. It is crucial to know when to trade but also when not to trade. Avoid trading during unwanted times and market conditions like low volume volatility conditions, beyond major sessions, exotic currency pairs, wider spread, and so on. So, in my opinion, I've used this parabolic SAR Forex trading system for quite time, and I got very good results with it. So, go ahead, use it. I'll put the link below this video in the description area, which will take you to my website, and you will be able to download the system. Use it wisely for your benefits and to make a lot of profit. And that was the video for today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. I'll put a link to my Telegram group. Also, you'll get free signals on my Telegram group, free Forex signals. And That was the video for today. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.